Hi everyone, it's Yamchang Food. This time, I'm gonna cook seafood dishes with shellfish which was given as a return gift of my donation for Furusato nozei. I received hiou gi gai, Noble Scallop, and Sazae Turban shell. Noble Scallop is a bivalve mollusk which belongs to the same Pectinidae family as scallops. The colors of the shells are red, orange, yellow, purple, and so on, which are very beautiful. Sazae no tsubo yaki is a dish of grilled turban shell using turban shell as a vessel. Alright, let's get started. Ingredients. First of all, preparing for turban shell grilling. Wash the shells well. Boil the turban shell for a few minutes. Make soup for tsuboyaki while cooling the turban shells. Add 1 teaspoon each of soy sauce, mirin and sake to 130 ml of water. Add some powdered bonito soup stock. Mix it well. When the shell is cooled down, insert the knife around here and take out the sazae meat. If you boil it a little, it will come out easily like this. I don't eat this part as it may contain sand. This part tastes bitter, so I don't eat it. The red part is the beak, so remove it. Put the lid into the shell so that sazae meat won't go deep inside the shell. Cut sazae meat into small pieces and put them into the shells. Add the soup you made earlier and grill it. Next, prepare sashimi of turban shell. Insert the knife from here, then take out the meat of the turban shell from the shell like this. You can take out the viscera smoothly by inserting your finger from here and moving it counterclockwise along the shell. Sand may be mixed on the upper side of this pattern, so eat only the tip from here. Remove the lid of the shell. Remove sliminess and dirt by rubbing it with salt. Rinse away salt and dirt with water. The red part is the beak, so remove it. Cut the adductor muscle from the viscera. These are for sashimi. Boil the liver with salt for about 20 seconds. Immediately cool it with ice water. Put the lid into the shell to prevent the ingredients from going to the bottom. Place the garnish of Japanese white radish and perilla leaf on the shell. Cut it into jagged small pieces so that the soy sauce can be easily put onto the sazae meat. Place the sashimi on the shell. Serve it on a plate. Next, making hiyogi gai, noble scallop into sashimi. Wash the shells well. Hold the shellfish with protruding side on the upper side. Insert the shell knife into the upper shell from the gap of the near side and shuck the shellfish. I don't eat this part, which is gut, but keep mantles which are edible. Remove sliminess and dirt of mantles by rubbing it with salt. Wash them cleanly. Garnish the dish with Japanese white radish and place the shells on it. Place the sashimi on the shell. Dish up the mantles on the dish. Garnish it with the flour, cucumber, and sudachi. Add wasabi on the plate if you like. Assorted shellfish sashimi is ready. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.